Hello friends, welcome to the channel Discover Apps with me. In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you fix Messenger voice recording not working, or you are facing a problem on sending voice records or voice messages to someone. For this, I'm going to tell you the reason of this or the solution of this. So all you have to do is just come back and open the Play Store app if you are using an Android mobile phone. But if you are using iPhone, you have to go to the App Store. There you have to search Messenger, and there you can see I have got the option of open. But if you got the option of update here, you have to update the Messenger app first. And the second thing, you have to come back and open your mobile settings and go to the app management towards the bottom in the Android mobile phone. There you got the app settings, you have to click on it. It will give you all the list of the app on your mobile phone. You have to search Messenger here and open the Messenger settings. There you can see the option of storage and cache. You have to click on it and clear all the cache from the bottom right button. There you can see all the cache is cleared. After this, you will be able to fix your Messenger voice recording not working. I hope you can understand my explanation, but still if you have any doubt, please mention in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.